Hello guys, it's me, Gregor.
And it's me, Dick Long.
Yeah, so what do you think happened to Greg Smithy?
I don't know.
Yeah, he was gone, so I had to take his place. Yeah, I'm the referee.
I mean, I've been like with him yesterday while recording the match talk. So don't know what happened to him.
And anyways, it's Hard Metal Poles versus Lanky Club de Futbol. Who do you think is going to win?
Probably Lanky, CF.
Okay, so the referee is Benjur Funky. Don't ask about the name, it's very normal in his nation of Cameroon. Okay. So, yeah, I think Hard Metal Poles is going to win this one.
You think so?
Yeah, Lanky Club de Futbol has drawn many matches this season, so this could potentially win them the league.
Potentially, but we're not sure yet.
Yes.
We gotta watch it and see.
Okay, a very aggressive handshake. Oh, even more aggressive. Okay.
Some people are just masters at handshaking. Some are just not.
Okay, it's Hard Metal Poles ball.
Oh,
Oi!
holy
shit!
Oh,
What a goal! What did you think?
How did that happen? They were literally. Okay, that was a nice stance, but
Well, you were looking.
look, they were
that.
literally
Look at that.
at his goal, and then suddenly just adrenaline kicks in, and he runs.
Paced through. Lewandowski couldn't catch up to him.
Man just got like a freaking zesty bar and just ran across the field.
Yeah, man. He just ran through the entire pitch to score. Amazing. So. Just
Who was that talking?
look at that. Look at that amazing tactic by Lewandowski. Have you seen
the
something?
jump with the ball. Oh, and it went out.
Yeah.
This is clearly the.
Ooh.
Oh.
Look
What
at
is
that.
happening?
Oh,
Lewandowski.
that may be too far away. Okay, the ref agrees. So yeah, that was an offside goal. Ooh,
Oh.
look at that.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
What did I... Look at that goal, man.
That was beautiful.
Look at that. That's amazing. Look at that technique.
Technique by just running in,
No, look at that.
turn the ball, and then just run into the goal and just. You hear that noise?
Yeah. That's very weird. I think I'm hearing...
Let me
half
close the
like-
blinds real quick.
Yeah. It's not stopping.
Just ignore it. It's gonna be better.
Yeah. So, look at that. Ooh. Look at that dribble, man. Oh,
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 right, but. Oh!
oh,
That's a goal. That's
Amazing.
0-4 to Papai.
3-0.
Security!
Security, get him! There's a very mad Hard Metal Poles fan here.
We got a
Security!
brick. Security! Take this brick for me, please. Thank you,
Okay,
security.
Thank you. Okay, so what did you think about that goal?
I couldn't see what was happening because of you have to put it back, but it's fine. Some of the fans are
Crazy.
yeah. right between. How do you just let that happen? And then it happens again, a second time, and this is terrible.
Yeah, I know. Just okay. Hard metal poles have to score very. What is he doing? What the hell?
That one in?
Yeah, I don't know either.
I am so confused.
He's just standing there, like, what is he doing?
You hear that again?
Yeah. So he's running back, and it's because it's a throw-in for hard metal poles. So, do you think he can do something with this throw-in?
Possibly.
Oh, so looks like it's a
hands. It's hands.
Handball. So it's a penalty for hard metal poles. Do you think Lewandowski can score this one?
I think they can.
They?
Bruh.
But yeah, look at this, man. This is going to be fantastic. Okay, there's a very long run up on. Ooh! Oh, what a goal!
That was
a
beautiful.
Fantastic penalty.
I agree.
It even moved the goal a little bit. Just
you can see that's a lot of power in that shot right there. Even in the slow-mo look. Bang! It jumped over. What is happening? Oh,
there's a lot happening.
Just kind of.
Anyways, so do you think hard metal poles can come back?
I think so. Oh,
oh, okay, hit his chest. Ooh, what the hell happened there?
I don't know. The ball is constantly in the air. Oh, oh, there's a lot of push. That's a save.
That almost went in. That was fantastic.
Almost.
Good defensive leg from Lewandowski there.
This shows the entirety of the defensive playstyle they have. There is no other defense ever in Lewandowski's games. How did that go?
That's a goal. That was amazing.
That was crazy, bro.
As you're speaking about his defensive record, did this happen?
Yeah, I said that's the only one, and then it just went in after look, it just bounced off his fucking belly and then went in.
It's a chip. Look at that chip, man. That was a great goal. Okay, it looks like. Ooh! Doing some fancy stuff. So, what happened to Greg?
Why are you asking me?
I think you might be involved in why Greg has disappeared.
You think he is involved in the reason why he is gone?
I said you.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Oh, what a goal! That was fantastic.
Papai didn't even move. He was just like, yeah, I got this one, guys. And then he just fucking let it fucking rip.
Yeah. That. And here's the match statistics, and this is halftime.
Good. high, drink and drive, gotta make it there. Got an appointment with Mr. Fly. He's got a nice stare, told me to lay off the crap. Me and the boys dropping bombs, hear the crowd as it calls. This trunk ain't like AIDS, it's a fire that won't quit. Spin right so sick, yeah. We on that thug shit, shirts off, muscles flexing, we kings on the scene. But shout out to my mama, she's the realest queen. She raised me right, taught me how to hustle and survive. In this game of life, we strive to thrive, surrounded by chaos, but we stay on our grind. No matter what comes our way, we leave them all behind. Surfing high, riding on these waves of success, slipping on emotion. We ain't settling for less. Mr. Fly warned me about the dangers of this track. But we pushing boundaries, breaking through these cracks. I'm on that thug shit, no time to slow down. In this rap game, I wear the crown, but never forget where I came from. My roots run deep. Mama's love and the guidance, they're the secrets that I keep. So I'm surfing high, drinking on my dreams. So fly on this journey to the top. I'll never say goodbye. Thug shit running through my veins. I'm here to make my mark. With my mom's love in my heart, I light up the dark.
Boy Dirty Lanky here with another banger. I'm a warrior, unstoppable force, standing tall in the streets with thug mice call. They call me bulletproof, no fear in my eyes, only despair and fear survive these parts. Survive the darkness now with scars upon my soul. Life's been a cliff, falling deeper every day. No remorse for darkness that comes my way, defying odds, rising above the shame. Raised in the fire, streets full of my soul. A child of violence is all that I know. With every battle I fought, scars on my skin. In the heart of the city where shadows paint the sun and turmoil runs deep. Born from fire, always on the run. Trapped in darkness where violence claims its prey. My body filled with scars from top to bottom, from countless spars. Uncountable bodies left in my wake. A trail of blood, my heart left blank, nothing but hate. The streets are my canvas, where stories unfold, painted with the colors of blood. Stories left untold, I've tasted danger, felt the thrill of countless battles. Bulletproof, a story left untold, enduring all the chaos, but those days won't last. With every scar I carry, a story to be told.
And we're back.
Yes, so what do you think about this match so far?
I think it's going pretty well.
Yeah, so what do you think the match result is going to be now?
I'm not sure. It might be like 6-2.
Maybe. I just have to see the score. I don't remember it.
What do you mean you have to see the score?
Yeah.
Yeah. It might be 6-2. I mean, you don't know if someone's gonna lose a goal.
Yeah. The referee might just remove a goal.
Possibly.
Maybe.
Always happens.
Yeah.
Oh, it's about to be a throw-in.
Yes. So.
Oh. All right.
Might be a goal scoring chance. Oh, it went.
It went. No, it went out. It went like through the goal.
Yeah, it seemed. Okay.
Sorry guys, someone's calling me. Who the hell is this? Yo Mama Corp. Give me a second, guys. Yes, hello?
Oh, Dick Long, it's Peter Bob here.
Hello, Peter Bob.
So, you know that...
What the goal?
Shut the fuck up.
You know that guy you're talking with, the Gregor here?
Yeah?
Don't tell him about Greg Smith, okay?
Why not?
You're involved. You literally brought the weapon that we used.
You are on a speaker, so everyone can hear you.
Oh fuck! Turn off the speaker. Turn off the speaker.
Okay, it's off. It's off.
Rang to warn you. I heard that Gregor actually works for the feds.
Does he?
Yes. So be careful what you say. He could stitch us up here. Okay.
Okay.
Don't talk about the great missing and all that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye.
All right. Goodbye. Sorry for that. My mom called me.
Yeah, your mother. You're 40 years old.
What? No, I'm not. I'm just 40 minus 40. Plus
Ooh,
40.
what a goal!
What a
That was
fucking goal!
fantastic.
That was beautiful.
He's doing the gritty.
Yeah. Man's so immature. He's really pulling the gritty.
Oh my. You just gave the ball away and just doing the gritty. So what do you think about the Greg Smith missing?
Greg Smith missing? I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't. I
Ooh,
don't.
look at that.
He's just
man.
walking. He is just walking.
Injured himself. What happened there? How did you get injured?
I don't know how he got injured. He just got like fucking tackled.
Okay. The doctor is coming out.
Alright, Dr. What's the name? Dr. Jeff?
And Jeff Blood. Yeah, so seems like the injury isn't that bad, but do you think this is going to be a draw or a win?
I think it's gonna be a draw. I think it's gonna be 6-2.
I'm so confused.
What do you mean?
The goal is falling over.
Doctor, someone needs to send a doctor to the goal.
Yeah, that needs the doctor more than Lewandowski, to be honest.
I agree. I mean, this is just a small injury. That goal is just fully broken.
Yeah, it's very weird. It has happened like every game this season. What's happening with the goals?
Who funded this?
I don't know, Dallas Records.
How much do you think they paid?
Like a pound? Maybe less. That
Maybe less than a pound. Like what, half a pound?
maybe we have to pay them.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Alright, but okay. Here we go.
Okay. It's doing some steppies.
Some what? What are you talking about?
Ooh. Cannot hit them.
I This is truly gameplay.
Yeah, this
Peak
is
game. He just
this is pure.
Is that
art.
hands? Did I hit his hand?
Doesn't look like that. What's the sound in the background?
Oh, that's an earthquake happening.
Possibly.
That's not possibly. It is quite literally happening. Oh,
Oh,
saved.
oh, that was fantastic.
No one can have that kind of skill.
Oh, he just pushed him away. Wow.
This is
Oh, nutmeg. That was that was incredible.
This is more than incredible.
So, what did you think about that nutmeg, man?
It was quite something.
It was. Now it's
This is a glory. This is glorious. He just slid in and fucking died.
nothing happened. This is
I am so confused.
this is pure football, man.
This is at its purest.
Yes. Just look at that.
Both of the players are literally lunatics.
Do you think Lewandowski can score from this?
Perhaps.
Oh, what a goal! That was fantastic. 5-5.
That was beautiful.
That was incredible.
Oh,
He's walking to the camera. He's saying something. Oh, that was a fantastic celebration.
I agree. No one has such celebrations. as
No.
Lewandowski. He is a
No.
one of a kind, truly.
Yes. He's our messiah.
I wouldn't say that. Maybe in dance moves, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that one out.
Go
That
in.
was terrible from Papai's
Yes.
side.
Okay. Ooh, look at that, man. That was fantastic. Okay, the referee is just standing there.
Papai's just running.
Oh, how did he miss? What the hell? That was a terrible miss.
Do you think it's gonna end in 5-5?
Yeah.
I still think it's gonna be a 6-2.
What?
Anyways, since someone does not understand, let's keep going.
Ooh.
Oh, that was crazy.
That was crazy, you know. Oh, look at that, man. What the hell? That was amazing. That's
Did that
not
go
even-
in?
That's not. even-
That's not a.
The judge is fantastic, you know. He understood that that is no goal because Lewandowski fell over.
I think we know who paid the judge.
Came.
That one out.
Yes. Oh, look at that, man. Lewandowski caught lacking and Papa is just walking. to a,
No one knows what is happening at this point.
The referee is coming to give a yellow card for time wasting, I think.
Both of them got a yellow.
Yeah, understandable, I think. Like, what the hell happened there?
I mean, both of them just started walking.
That's football at its finest, man. Oh, look at that from
You sure?
Lewandowski.
And it went out.
Okay, that's full time. So, here's the match statistics.
And it's goodbye. See you
Goodbye.
next time.